Greetings to the viewers. Welcome to Timeline Radio Sport. Still your boy Dumisane. I'm with my brother Chico here.
Yes.
Chico.
Dumza?
Sharp good John.
Nando namngani?
Sengcenga mfuka baba.
Yes sir.
Yeah, today sizobamba game awu-2. It's Orlando Pirates. Game yethu yokuqala sibonile against i-Super Sports.
Yeah.
And then sibe ne-Kaizer Chiefs ebeyidlala nama-Steelers.
Yes sir.
Nje sizame nje ukuthi sigoqe ngokusheshanyana sizwe ukuthi singathini mhlawumbe sifake nje iPirates siqale ngayo njengoba bekuyigame yethu then your views.
I think singaqala ngePirates. Reason being, I think from last week you've been complaining ukuthi Pirates amagame abaqala abaye bit slowanyana. You know, so I think even today we saw the same thing. Yes, they won because even I think the last time they won, last week they won, yeah. But the game it was a bit boring nyana. You understand? And also the benhlala ngikhala ngakho ukuthi starting 11 se Pirates hlala sifana no whenever he tries to introduce a player match then still the game might change, you know, because what we're expecting is if motion jump player a game should change. If Bay Pezul it should be worse, if Bay worse it should be maybe Kupo, you understand? But with Pirates it came up when it was just neutral from the first half till is your pay.
Okay. And then like I mean game, yes, Pirates winile as you said. It was a 2-2 draw and then yaguma penalties. I saw ama goal, the goal that they scored. They were very like poor, ngathi very weak goals that they scored because okay, Pirates was leading and then equalizer. It feels like babanigile.
Yeah, because I saw what equalizer was a mistake from Uchayine, goalkeeper. I don't know what's bega enzani. I don't think now he has ukuthi bega enzani that I understand. Then gaba equalizer, you know, and which is a super sport now. They're not playing today, but also banama player kumele bawa bench. I mean, remember last week we said that Ubanu Mart.
Yeah,
he needs to be benched. I think now super sport we have few players where coach Kevin Huntsman said, Chief, I need to sit down. One, you should be silent. One should be silent because he miss some goal throughout. There's I will miss a penalty. And the funny thing we predict predict this guy is gonna miss this penalty. And the very didn't disappoint as always he missed.
And then also you said something about China last week njengoba bekangadlali and then kube lento ukuthi okay nanga akadlali, you don't know ukuthi what is the problem. So do you think ukuthi esibesicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bambekelele game lena, did that thing maybe help or like was it a good idea actually ukuthi bamsave?
Let's just be honest no. Chile correct to be Chile. You know why? Because Ukumbula also he ungene ku-fame after my penalty with Sundowns. That's when we started, you know, people said, look, I'm comparing no Senzo Meiwa. Like it was too soon. I'm comparing nama crates, you understand? So from now, I started with game time by. You get yes, Pirates are we nama game by. They're playing very good. But I got Chile on. To be honest with me, I understand till this day. Like I again as like anga kun counter as a goalkeeper like a Pirates good see singamfaka top 5 or top 10 goalkeeper like South Africa, you know. So yakachayile wenza mistakes unnecessary man. To be honest, look at the game today.
Yeah,
there was no need for all of that, you understand? And if you're a goalkeeper experience and such things, no mistake njengalawo akumelanga uzovumela ukuthi ayenzeke.
And then we saw 2 late goals in the first half. Pirates evidence Bafupa, yes, and then also in the second half, I think it was 91 or so, and then my equalizer, Super Sports. What's your take on those?
I think you know what I've picked up. I think Pirates did it today, but we're too comfortable. But she would make say pelile. But substitute the keep all of these top players, then by introduce the Manyama player, you understand? And that way it probably makes up, you know, because you know before you final Lucille, by shy final Lucille, it came a appeal. You understand? This is football. You understand? Before you pay color, anything can happen, you know. So I think what going by underman of the match, you know, what available keeper because we I'm a substitute amaning. You understand? I'm a substitute match. Nyabona available second okay, I match it's done. We've won. You understand? So then they were punished. You know, also what's this? 45 minutes evidence now. Like it was poor defending from i-super sport. Like they were just relaxing, but chilly, they were just cruising there. Bangayenzanga anything, you know, then evidence about punish. And Kumbulo Hoto is the first person who missed that goal. Then if we're defending a sharp, by Hota Misa, the already got no moon, those of the ball, understand? And there was no one. Evidence was there, actually, like one.
And what's your take on the performance ga Hoto? I saw Hoto man are all over as much as Adlala a mover, but then Ngimbona all over like man actually crown long ukuthi a create a headache to super sports. So what's your take on it?
I think if last week we spoke about Hoto comparing him no Peter.
Yeah,
you understand? Yeah, I could say that. Hoto is a better player than Peter. You understand that? Hoto also is a player on the experience. I don't know how old he is, but I'm born good. He plays in the experience, and also Agasabu my chances. You understand? So with that, because maybe he might be one of the players about the ground in Apandlo, Marshall or the other guy who scored the last penalty. You understand? So Hoto, I like how he plays. It is killer, and also the composure he has. Well, 18 area or wrong apart, he's there. You understand? So me, I can say we play all born good in experience.
No, as Themba ukuthi usazoqhubeka sinikeze a deliver throughout the season because yena uyabona ukuthi usekakhulile but ke uloku uyadlala and nano coach ubusy uyamthemba ukumfaka lapha nemuva and naloku busy overlap yaphambili. I would like to ukuthi siqhubeke ngebhakaniya ke but as we said ukuthi man there was nothing much ngegame yePirates esingathi mhlambe singadwela kuyo kangako. Yes, ama penalties bameyisile abosayile and then iPirates through to the next round ukuthi ama semi-final. So what do you think? Do you see them maybe baya ku final? Do you see them defending in Nedbank as Bama defending champion?
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not naive because the Chiefs we needed today, but looking at how they've been playing better than the Chiefs. Let's just be honest, you know. Then Sundowns na sharp. Kumagu final, I'm looking at the Pirates and the Sundowns, you know. But I still say good Sundowns, they're going to take this cup.
Oh, okay. No, asibonga sigoqe indaba yebhakaniya sibabongele futhi ukuthi badlulile baya kuma semi final
ebunzimeni.
ebunzimeni.